Okay, so I don't know if you can see much in there. I'm gonna start taking this piece of crap apart tonight. It's like literally 10 o'clock at night, 10:30. I'm bored. Something to do. Eat some ice cream, you know. Yeah, make a mess. Notes. What that? Yeah. I have a dog. Probably seen it in the first videos. A couple of them. Come on, son, I'm working. Well, yeah, I'm retired. The joys. Retired at 34. Imagine that, eh, people? Alright, so you can see I've taken it apart completely. As much as I need to go. Like, there's a couple pins in there that I really don't care for. Because I don't care about this 2-barrel. There's a lot of shit in there. That's nasty. And that's the fuel system area. And that's where the intake and the fuel mix. But that's pretty bad. Quite a bit of parts. Yeah. And then I'm going to start cleaning this body of it. Once this thing starts focusing, yeah. There you go. Focus. And then start putting it back together. Alright, so I've cleaned it out. It's better. That down there is a bitch to get at, but I really don't care for it too much. I just use some barbecue lighter fluid to clean it all up. After like a long scrubbing of, I would say 2 hours. Doing it with the wire brush and toothbrush and a tiny flathead screwdriver. Not bad. I'm just gonna let this dry and then go moving on to the parts. Alright, carb is all cleaned. Even the top here, it's all, well, as clean as you need it. Since remember, I'm not using it. Parts are all cleaned, ready to assemble. Alright, so I am done with it now. A hell of a lot better, you know. Pretty decent, but that's still a lot that blocks. Like having that choke up on top and everything else. Yeah. Well, carburetor's done. Work on something else.